I'm Kai from by Kai, and today we're going to make a crispy prawn burger with QBA milk buns. So I think often when you think about a burger, we think about beef, or if we want to look at an alternative, we think about barramundi, for example. But using prawn, it'll be something that stands out on the menu. And on top of that, it is very simple to make. This dish has very few ingredients and it comes together very nicely. A couple of things to be mindful of is that the butter is not necessarily too heavy and too thick, and also not to overcook the prawn. They only really take a couple of minutes so they don't go dry and stay nice and juicy. I love using the milk bun because it's so soft and it has this beautiful glaze on top, which presents extremely well. I actually also believe that a slider can be made out of this. So just a smaller version of the burger using a slider bun, and that's perfect for functions, cocktail parties. And I also believe it's a wonderful spin on the traditional beef burger.